everyone, it's Sheila back again today, and I am back with a rant, a real rant. I'm having a cup of tea here as well because I've been so annoyed. Someone mentioned on one of the comments the other day about eBay's simple delivery. Now, I had a message from email a couple of days ago, never really took much notice of it. I saw this thing about simple delivery, but I didn't think much of it, you know, because I don't bother with the delivery thing with eBay. I do my own delivery. I go to the post office. I don't get labels from anywhere. Anyway, this is my rant. It is this message I got from eBay. Because of this, I will be shutting my shop on eBay. From the 15th of April, there will be nothing on my eBay shop. The patterns and everything are coming off, and I'm going to tell you why. This is a message I got from eBay. It says, "Hi Sheila, we're continuing our mission." I've just got these messages on my phone when I'm talking. It says, "We are continuing our mission to provide you with a great selling experience on eBay, which is why we made it free to sell. Now we're improving delivery so it's faster, easier and more secure for you to send your items. Starting from the 15th of April, simple delivery will be the only delivery method available for private sellers." That's the small sellers like myself. "When listing most items, there'll be a few exceptions such as low-priced, bulky items and local pickups which aren't eligible for simple delivery." I don't know what they mean by low-priced, bulky items. I'll wait and see whether I'm in that class of low items, low price, which is, I suppose, my patterns are, but I don't know what they call low price. But this is what is simple delivery. Simple delivery is our all-in-one delivery solution designed to cut out all of the effort and save you money. It's also the fastest way to get paid on eBay. If we don't use this delivery, we won't get paid for at least 2 weeks. Plus, buyers will benefit from savings and enjoy the peace of mind that tracking offers. Here's how it works. When listing, we'll recommend the size and weight of your item. Just confirm and we'll do the rest. Once your item sells, you'll receive both a printerless QR code and a prepaid printable label, so you can choose what's easiest, which means we are going to have to pay eBay for any delivery. And number 3, drop off your item at the nearest carrier location or schedule a home collection and you're done. You'll still be able to choose the carriers by going to postage preferences in your account settings. We recommend enabling all carriers for the most competitive postage rates. The only ones I use are Royal Mail, which I think they're trying to get rid of. Benefits of simple delivery. Fastest way to get payments. Get your funds 2 days after delivery confirmation when using our prepaid labels. Save 20% off postage costs. Get competitive rates to offer standard and express delivery with Royal Mail and Every. But they don't tell you that those labels have tracking on. We have to pay for tracking. And I sell knitting patterns that go in a letter. And a letter, second class postage with tracking, costs over £3, which is more than I even get for my patterns. A full protection. Enjoy peace of mind with eBay's full coverage for items lost or damaged in transit, where we handle claims and buyers so you don't have to. It can pull the other one as well. Free postage option. Choose if you want your buyer to pay for the label or offer free postage and cover the cost. Prepaid and tracked labels. Labels come with automatic tracking so buyers always know where their items are. Flexible labels. Use a QR code for quick printing at drop-off locations or easily print your own label at home. Your positive feedback. From late April, you'll automatically receive positive feedback for tracked transactions delivered on time where no feedback has been left within 7 days and no issues are reported, so you'll get the recognition you deserve. Learn about this change. Simple delivery will apply to new eligible listings by private sellers in the UK and from the 7th of April to any existing listings that are eligible. So anything I have in now, this is going to happen to this from the 7th of April, not the 15th. If you selected buyer paid postage, this will stay the same when your listings are updated. If you're covering the cost, they'll be deducted from your sales. Click the button below to see what's eligible. So, no way are they forcing me to buy labels from them with tracking on. Because like I said, I haven't tried to get tracking for a letter, but I didn't even realise you could get tracking on a letter. But I've looked it up and it's going to cost me £3.25 to put tracking. That's without the postage label, without the postage stamp that I put on. So I'm not even going to get what I'm asking for the patterns. And the same with the rest. You know, while I have a printer, sometimes it does not always do what I want it to do. I have had problems with it at times where I haven't been able to use it for a few days. Things run out on the printer, like I had to get some foam things to go inside for the printer ink that absorbs the printer ink. And I had to wait for that. If I had any orders, I wouldn't be able to send them out because I wouldn't be able to get the labels. I do not like, I think eBay is trying to get rid of all of us small sellers like us who, you know, myself, who just have small things. We're not a big business company. They're trying to get rid of us because they mustn't get as much out of us as they do out of these big companies, because the big companies do pay more than what we used to pay in fees before, but they dropped the fees but put the buyer protection onto the buyers now, which I don't like that either. So probably in the next couple of days, I'm going to close the shop. Everything is coming off the shop. There'll be no patterns there. If you want any of my patterns, you'll have to go to Etsy or Ko-fi or message me by email yourself, and you can arrange payment either through PayPal, which is a link on my channel, or I can send my bank details for anyone that doesn't have PayPal. But anything else I make and sell now, any patterns or anything, will not be on eBay, because eBay has just done themselves out of another customer, and I think one or two other people will be doing the same, and I am just foaming me. So anyway, that's the end of that rant. Thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time and let you know what's going on. So bye for now. This is a little PS which I thought about after I signed off, where eBay say, when I put a listing up and I come to sell anything, it comes up with all the information, postal things and everything, and they suggest what I should put on my patterns. They say, when listing, we'll recommend the size and weight of your item, and that would be the label they send. And whenever I put anything in when I sell patterns, they come up as a large letter. Now, a small letter is what my patterns go out in, is 85 pence. I think that's going up as well, a couple of pence shortly. But AB always recommends a large letter because they think it comes in a big A4 sheet. Well, it doesn't come in an A4, it is an A4 sheet, but it's folded in half into a C6, I think it's called, the size that it comes in. But they always recommend, with tracking, a large letter. That's something else, that they don't know half of what should be on a parcel. And I don't know what they're going to charge for parcels either, because I send second-class parcels and I put tracking on them, but it only costs 20 pence to put tracking on a second-class parcel. So I don't know what AB is going to charge. But anyway, that's just a little bit extra I thought of after I signed off. So bye again.